Some of the other aids for interpreting tax treaties could be as under. The first one is the preamble to the tax treaty. Now, a preamble is the starting point, okay, which mentions why this treaty has been entered into. And under the base erosion and profit shifting initiative of the OECD, they have specifically provided that the preamble to the tax treaty should provide that it is only meant for avoiding double taxation. It cannot be used as a tool for avoiding taxation. Title of the relevant article. Of course, while not conclusive, because the content also matters, but the title of the relevant article can be an aid to the interpretation of the content that lies in therein. The language of a similar treaty. Now, if I have to give you an example of this, the term make available is found in context of FTAs, and for some of you this might sound a little new and this interpretation may not matter, but as you've passed through some of the other articles, you'll understand this. The make available clause is used in various treaties which India has entered into, like US, UK, etc. Right? There is an explanation of what would amount to make available under the India-US treaty. While the UK treaty do not have those examples, if the language is similar, it has been widely accepted that the same interpretation may also be applied here. Amended versus old treaty. So whenever there is a change in a new treaty which two countries enter into vis-a-vis the earlier treaty, one should look at what was the intention behind modifying the provisions. Similar treaty Indian judgment. So let's say, for example, if I'm looking at India-Singapore treaty, right, and a similar clause lies under India-US treaty as well. If there is a judgment which is given under the India-US treaty and the language for the relevant clause is similar, I will apply that to the India-Singapore treaty as well. A foreign judgment on the issue can also act as an aid for interpretation, and technical explanation issued by US. So the US has this technical explanation to the treaty that they enter into, which kind of points out what their viewpoint was when entering into a particular treaty, right? And that is something which can be used as an aid to interpretation. Again, there are significant commentaries which are done by experts who are renowned worldwide in the area of international tax, like Klaus Vogel, etc., that can be considered as a guidance to interpreting tax treaties.